Now, in Russia's Area 51, a drone captures what may be some kind of experiment or test.
I wonder if we stumbled on something covert.
Investigators fear some new chemical weapon.
What if there were some kind of toxic element there? The possibilities can be really, really terrifying.
The wilderness of central Russia. Over 3 million square miles of woodland, nearly as large as the entire United States. But hiding within these impenetrable woods, numerous top-secret military bases and weapon development labs, home to Russia's Area 51. September 2017, an amateur drone operator accidentally captures this menacing man-made cloud.
It just keeps getting bigger and bigger and bigger.
I've never seen anything generate fog like this. I wonder if we stumbled on something covert.
When investigators observe how dense and long-lasting it is, they fear it's something dangerous.
This isn't acting like smoke. It's not sort of dynamically moving through the air, rising quickly.
What we could be seeing in this video is a chemical weapons test gone awry.
In 1979, the Soviets illegally developed their most deadly strain of the infection anthrax. According to U.S. intelligence, they planned to arm warheads with this lethal bacteria and fire the missiles at U.S. cities, causing chemical Armageddon. But anthrax leaked from the plant, killing at least 60 people.
This could be the unintentional release of some sort of chemical agent which forced the Russian military to respond.